Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily English. I am Olivia, and I am happy to be here again with Liam. Today, we are going to talk about one of the easiest and most enjoyable topics, hobbies and free time.
Hello everyone, I am Liam. Yes, this topic is very good for small talk because it helps you learn about the other person in a friendly and relaxed way. Everyone has something they enjoy doing, so it is easy to find something in common.
That is right. When you talk about hobbies, you can learn what makes people happy, how they spend their time, and what kind of things they like. It is also a good way to practice speaking English naturally, because you can describe things you really enjoy.
Exactly. When you talk about your free time, it feels more natural because you are speaking from real experience. You do not need to use big or difficult words. You can use short, clear sentences that describe what you do and how you feel about it.
For example, you can say, "I like reading books," or "I enjoy listening to music." Then you can add more details to make it interesting, like, "I like reading mystery stories," or "I enjoy listening to calm music in the evening." Simple sentences can make a big difference.
That is true. You can also ask small questions to keep the conversation going. For example, if someone says, "I like playing football," you can say, "Oh, that is nice. How often do you play?" Or, "Which team do you like?" This shows interest and keeps the conversation friendly.
Let us show you how this works in a short role play. Imagine we are meeting for the first time at a park, and we start talking about hobbies.
Okay, let's begin.
Hello! The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it is. It is a good day to be outside. Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I do. I like walking here in the evening. It helps me relax after work. How about you? Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend. I come here to play basketball with my friends. It's a good way to stay healthy and have fun.
That sounds great. I do not play basketball, but I like watching people play. It looks very exciting.
It really is. I started playing a few years ago, and now it is one of my favorite hobbies. What hobbies do you have, Olivia?
I enjoy photography. I like taking pictures of nature, especially flowers and trees. It makes me feel calm and happy.
That sounds wonderful. Do you use a professional camera or just your phone?
I use both. When I go for a walk, I take photos with my phone. But on weekends, I sometimes bring my camera to take better pictures.
That is a nice hobby. Photography helps you see small details that other people might miss. I think that is very special.
Thank you. I enjoy looking at the pictures later. It helps me remember good moments.
That was a great example of small talk about hobbies. You can see how simple questions and answers make the conversation natural and friendly.
Yes. When you ask about hobbies, you are also showing interest in the person's life. It makes them feel comfortable and happy to share more.
Let us try another example. This time, imagine we are in a coffee shop. We meet while waiting for our drinks.
Sounds good. I will start. Hello. I see you are reading a book. What kind of book is it?
Hello. It is a travel book about different countries and cultures. I like reading about new places.
That sounds interesting. Do you like traveling too?
Yes, very much. I try to travel once or twice a year. I enjoy learning new languages and meeting people from different countries.
That is amazing. Where have you traveled before?
I have been to Japan, Italy, and Thailand. Each place was very different, but I loved them all. Japan was peaceful, Italy was full of history, and Thailand had great food.
That sounds wonderful. I have never traveled outside my country, but I hope to visit Japan one day. I love Japanese gardens and food.
You will love it. People are kind, and everything is clean and calm. I hope you can visit soon.
Thank you. Talking about travel is also a good way to discuss hobbies, because many people love to travel in their free time. You can share experiences, stories, and dreams.
That is true. It also gives the other person a lot of chances to ask questions. You can talk for a long time and learn new things together.
Now let us talk about a few more examples of hobbies. Some people like reading, painting, or cooking. Others enjoy gardening, dancing, or playing an instrument?
Yes, you can always ask simple questions about these hobbies. For example, what kind of music do you like to play? Or do you cook often? Or how long have you been painting?
That is right. Even a small question like, when do you usually do that, helps the conversation grow. Let us show another role play. This time, we are co-workers talking during lunch break.
Sounds good. I will start. Hey, Olivia, what do you usually do after work?
Hi, Liam. After work, I like to relax at home and listen to music. Sometimes I also watch cooking videos.
That sounds nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft pop music and piano songs. They make me feel relaxed. How about you?
I like rock music. It gives me energy. I often listen to music when I go running.
That is great. Running and music are a perfect match. I wish I could enjoy running like you.
You can start slowly. Even walking a little every day helps. It is also a good time to listen to your favorite songs.
That is a good idea. I will try that. It can be my new hobby.
See, that is how conversations about hobbies often work. One person shares something, and the other finds a way to connect. It feels friendly and natural.
Exactly. Now let us try one more example. Imagine we are waiting at a bus stop.
All right, I will start this one. Hello. Do you usually take this bus?
Hello. Yes, I do. I take it every morning. How about you?
I just started using this route. I moved to this area last week. It is nice to see friendly faces here.
That is nice. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like gardening. I grow small plants on my balcony. It helps me relax after work.
That sounds lovely. What kind of plants do you grow?
Mostly flowers and a few herbs like mint and basil. They smell nice, and I can use them when I cook.
That is amazing. Gardening is a beautiful hobby. It brings peace and joy.
Yes, it really does. Sometimes I even talk to my plants. It sounds funny, but it makes me smile.
That is sweet. It shows how much you care. Hobbies like that help people feel calm and positive.
Yes, and talking about hobbies like gardening, painting, or cooking gives people something warm to connect with. It helps build friendly relationships.
Exactly. And remember, when you talk about your hobbies, smile and use positive words. It makes your conversation sound friendly and natural.
Let us finish with a longer practice conversation, combining different hobbies and small talk ideas. We are meeting at a friend's birthday party.
Okay, let's start.
Hi there. I do not think we have met before. I am Liam.
Hi Liam, nice to meet you. I am Olivia. This is a lovely party.
Yes, it is. Do you know the birthday person from work or school?
From school. We were classmates a few years ago. How about you?
From work. We are in the same team. It is nice to meet people from outside the office.
Yes, I agree. So, what do you like to do when you are not working?
I enjoy cooking and trying new recipes. It is relaxing after a long day. How about you?
I enjoy painting. I like using bright colors to paint flowers and nature scenes. It helps me feel calm.
That is beautiful. Do you take art classes or paint by yourself?
I paint by myself. I watch online videos and learn new techniques. It is a good way to spend my weekends.
That sounds fun. I think hobbies like painting or cooking make life colorful. They give us something to look forward to.
I agree completely. When you talk about hobbies, it makes you sound positive and easy to talk to. People like being around that kind of energy.
Yes. So remember, everyone, when you talk about hobbies or free time, keep your sentences simple and natural. Ask small questions, share your feelings, and listen carefully.
Exactly. That is how you make real connections in English. And it is also how you enjoy learning the language.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about hobbies and free time. Practice these examples with your friends or family.
Yes, you can even write your own conversation in the comments below. We love reading them and helping you improve.
Keep speaking, stay curious, and have fun learning English every day. Thank you for listening.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode of Daily English.